This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Tuckey. Welcome home to low maintenance living in this bright and airy condo in the charming Claiborne community. There is a lot of space with primary bedrooms with ensuite on each floor as well as an attached garage. The cozy loft and or first floor sunroom can serve as an office/study. The private patio out back and covered front porch are great for relaxing. The open floor plan offers combo dining room and living room. The kitchen has lots of natural light and an eat-in area, with attached laundry area. The Claiborne community features a clubhouse with exercise room, sidewalks, walking trail and a pond. This condo is within a short distance of Tolteca and Patriot Plaza, within 3 minutes drive to the Premium Outlet Mall and 3 miles to Colonial Williamsburg. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Tuckey at 757-220-9500.